What if your buses could be cleaned in a fraction of the time while improving consistencies, reducing labor pressure, and keeping your entire operation moving faster every single day? For many transport companies, washing buses is still one of the slowest and most labor-intensive part of daily operation, and the problem becomes even bigger when fleet continues to grow. More buses mean more cleaning, more worker, more waiting time, and more operational pressure. In many companies today, bus line up waiting to be washed manually, while staff struggle to keep up with the workflow. Some vehicles are cleaned properly, others are rushed because the next buses are already waiting. Over time, this creates delay, inconsistent cleaning quality, and unnecessary operational stress. The route is simple. Manual washing methods were never designed for large-scale modern fleet operation. They consume to be more time, depend heavily on manpower, and become harder to manage as operations expand. That is exactly why more transport companies around the world are now investing in automated bus wash system. Not because automation looks modern, but because it solves real operational problems. One of the biggest advantages companies notice immediately is time reduction. Automated system can reduce bus washing time by up to 70%, allow fleets to move faster and operate more efficiently every day. Instead of spending long periods manual washing its vehicle, buses can enter an automated system, go through a controlled cleaning process, and return to operation within minutes. They train everything for companies handling large fleets, tight schedule, and continuous daily movement. Time saving may sound simple, but in transportation, every minute matters. A bus sitting idle waiting for cleaning is not generating value. It's not transporting passengers, not running route, and not contribute to revenue. Faster turnaround means more operational efficiency, smoother scheduling, and better use of company resources. But automation is not only about speed, it is also about consistency. One of the biggest challenges with manual washings is that results depend entirely on worker, timing, and daily workload. Some buses receive detailed cleaning while others are rushed during busy hours. Over time, this inconsistency affects the company's image. Passengers notice dirty or poorly maintained vehicles, and that directly impacts how people perceive their brand. Modern transport companies understand that vehicle representation matters. A clean fleet creates trust, professionalism, and confidence before passengers even step on board. Automated wash systems solve this by creating a repeatable process where every bus receives the same cleaning quality every time. Large buses move consistently across the vehicle surface, removing dust efficiently while maintaining a professional appearance across the entire fleet. Another major advantage is labor efficiency. Many transport companies today are struggling with rising labor costs and workforce management challenges. Manual washing operations often require multiple workers, close supervision, and constant coordination just to maintain a stable performance. As fleets grow, labor dependency grows with them. Automation helps reduce that pressure significantly instead of increasing workforce size every time operations expand. Companies can scale more intelligently through technology. This creates more stable operation and reduce long-term operational strain. At Go&Go, we design our automated bus wash system specifically for real fleet environment. These systems are built to handle large buses and coast over 10 meters long, operating continuous with reliable performance and efficient cleaning results. But more importantly, our focus is not simply on building machines. We focus on helping transport companies modernize the way they operate. Because today, operational efficiency is become one of the most important competitive advantages in the transportation industry. Companies that continue relying entirely on traditional methods often face increasing challenges as customer expectations, operational demand, and market competition continue to rise. Meanwhile, companies adopting automation early position themselves for faster growth, smoother operation, and better long-term stability. And what is especially interesting today is that many international buyers are now looking beyond traditional manufacturing market for automation solutions. Vietnam is becoming increasingly recognized for producing high-quality automated vehicle wash system with strong engineering capability and practical business application. While visiting Go&Go often realize that automation is no longer something reserved only for massive corporations. is become the next operational standard for transport business that want to remain competitive in the future. Cleaner buses, faster workflow, reduce labor dependency, and better operational control all contribute to stronger business performance over time. And ultimately, that's what modern transport companies are really investing in. Not just a machine, but a smarter and more scalable operational system. So if your company is currently managing a bus fleet and looking for a way to improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and modernize your cleaning process, this might be the right moment to explore automation, because the future of transportation belongs to companies that move faster, operate smarter, and adapt earlier than everyone else. If you want to see how Go&Go automatic bus support system can help reduce waiting time, improve fleet operation, and support long-term business growth, contact us today or comment below. Let's discuss how automation can transform the transport company and prepare your operation for the future.